The Democratic Party of Kenya leaders from South Rift region wish to express our strong support for our party's presidential candidate, Justin Muturi, the Speaker of the National Parliament. First, we want to state categorically that the South Rift region, and indeed the whole of the Rift Valley, is not a preserve of one presidential candidate, as certain propagandists have been misleading the people to believe. The region is diverse, cosmopolitan, and wide open for competition by multiple candidates who are willing to stage serious bids for the presidential seat.
Kwa hivyo nataka kusihi na kusema leo kama tunataka Muturi akuje aridhi ile uongozi, tunajua wazi kwa sababu ni chama ambaye tunaitaka disciplined party. Pia yeye amekuwa disciplined.
We want to warn any candidate from this region who have been labeling this their zone to desist such campaign style that might lead to fear mongering. It may be termed as fear mongering and intimidation of the electorate.